So, my sales transaction from August 13 to 19 is 110,486. I have 24 transactions, 22 office sales, and 2 AR. I have 4 bulk order amounting 10K up. First, Mylene, CBC with print 185 pieces. Next, Servants Palmero, CBC with print and dry fit collar with print 60 pieces. Next po is yung sa Deus Logistics, dry fit with print 40 pieces, umbrella, mugs, and polo shirt 20 pieces. Last po is yung kay Nicole Kent, sabli 30 pieces. Meron po akong dalawang quotation na 90% sure po na magpapagawa, nakapagpasample na po sila and for payment na po sila next week. So sa FB page po namin, naka-highlight pa din po ang biggest printing shop sa cover photo. We have 10K followers. Ang nakapin post po sa amin ay store video about consumables and embroidery. So, ang mga new posting po namin is happy customer, jacket, event video, at laser engraving video po. Sa advertising expense naman po, sa system ay meron po akong 3, 2 store ads, and 1 po sa umbrella. Latest update po is yung sa gift ideas na wall. So yung mugs po, pinalitan ko po siya ng towel at ang naka-highlight po sa taas is yung transfer it towel. Then sa baba po is yung mga microfiber, gift towels and other towels po na available.